Hi, I'm Kaz and I'm going to show you how to make some of these super cute thin flower resin rings. So grab yourself some epoxy resin and ring moulds of your choice and mix up the resin as per your instructions. I show how to do this on some of my other videos on here, and pour a small layer of the epoxy resin into the bottom of one of your moulds. Then gently just start to push your dried flowers around the mould as you want them to look, going all the way around the edge. I have added a little bit of alcohol ink into mine. That's just a design thing though. You can make yours however you want them to look, and then top up that epoxy resin. Careful not to overfill them because that just adds more work at the end. Now what we've got to do is be really patient and wait for our resin to set. The next thing we're going to do is demold our rings. So gently push them out of their moulds. You will notice that the top side of the ring is rough. So I'll show you now how to finish that side off. What you'll need to do is grab a small range of wet and dry sandpapers and put a bit of water on your ring and just start sanding that side of the ring, starting with the roughest piece of sandpaper with the lowest number on the back, working your way up to a super smooth piece of sandpaper. And I mean, they go up to the thousands, so you'll be able to watch your ring go from rough to super shiny. When you've done that, you can just give your rings a little bit of a buff with a nice dry cloth. And how cute are these rings? They're so nice to wear with jeans and a tee or dress up an outfit. If you give them a go, let me know in the comments or come and find me on Instagram. I'd love to meet you. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to be doing a lot more on my YouTube channel, so do hit subscribe or come and find me on my socials. It's been really fun. See you guys soon.